Okay, these are the fish we caught at the Manasquan today. Gonna cook them over the fire pit, probably either in a pan or foil or just right over the grate. Probably rub them down with olive oil and salt, maybe blackened seasoning. Stick the inside with some lemon and possibly some rosemary. But this is what you need to do once you decide you're going to keep a fish and you're going to cook it. You're going to take the knife and you are going to run it right through his inside here, right from his bum up to his throat. And you're going to pull out all the inside guts and gills. I'll just take my fingers as a heart. And pull everything out just like that. Stick it down the garbage disposal. Clean out the inside. Take the knife. Clean out this icky stuff right here. And this fish is ready to be patted dry. Ready to be patted dry and vacuum sealed. Do the other one right now. And save these guys for next week. And join me in Adam's Fly Box and we'll do a cook and you can see how it turns out.